Good morning, friends. Myself Niranjan. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 14th March. Today, in our regular GK series, Today in History, we shall recall some of the memorable events happened on 14th March in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. The earliest known large scale celebration of Pi Day was organized by whom in San Francisco Exploratorium on this day in 1988? Answer: Larry Shaw. Pi is the ratio of circumference of a circle to its diameter and is approximately 3.14. March 14 is chosen for the celebration of Pi Day as 314 are the first three digits of pi. Question number 2. Which is the first Indian talking film directed by Ardeshir Irani, debuted in Majestic Cinema in Mumbai on this day in 1931? Answer: Alam Ara. Question number 3. Who is Indian social activist known as Iron Lady of Manipur, born on this day in 1972, also has been called the world's longest hunger striker? Answer: Iram Chanu Sarmila. She started hunger strike against the implementation of Armed Forces Special Power Act in Manipur. He started hunger strike on 5th November 2000 and ended it on 9th August 2016. Question number 4. Which Indian politician died on this day in 1963, was a member of Indian National Congress, and who was the third Chief Minister of Rajasthan, and in whose honor a university in Jodhpur is named? Answer: Joy Narayan Vyas, and the university is Joy Narayan Vyas University. Question number 5. Who is Indian actor born on this day in 1965, whose debut film was Yadon Ki Barat as a child actor, and who began full-time acting career with leading role in Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak? Answer: Amir Khan. Question number 6. Who is the first governor of Rajasthan and the second chief minister of Delhi, born on this day in 1895? Answer: Gurmukh Singh Nihal. He is the only Sikh chief minister of Delhi. Question number 7. Which American patient suffering from streptococcal infection was the first patient to be treated with penicillin on this day in 1942 and was saved? Answer: Annie Sheep Miller. In this picture, she is with the inventor of penicillin, Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 8. Who is German-born physicist born on this day in 1879, is widely known for developing theory of relativity and received Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921? Answer: Albert Einstein. He has also contribution to the theory of quantum mechanics. Question number 9. Which physicist died on this day in 2018 whose scientific works included collaboration with Roger Penrose on gravitational singularity theorems in framework of general relativity and his prediction that black holes emit radiations often called Hawking radiation? Answer: Stephen Hawking. Question number 10. Which British Indian Army cavalry officer died on this day in 1901? Had designed a wide belt, usually leather, supported by a narrow strap passing diagonally over the right shoulder. The diagonal strap stabilizes the scabbard of a sword if worn. Answer: Samuel James Brown. Friends, thanks for viewing this video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.